another video. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm actually in the airport in Trinidad, the Piaco airport. This is it. I'm waiting on my flight to head back to Jamaica. So this is a straight flight from Trinidad to Jamaica, but it has some stops, but I'm not coming off the plane. So yeah, that was 2 months in Trinidad, and this time I'm really happy because I think I got a lot of nice video. I spent like 8 weeks in Trinidad and I got like 9 videos, I hope. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the journey I took back home, all the fun I had with my family. It was really good to be back in Trinidad. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Of course, it's always good to connect, spend time with the family, especially like my son. It was really good. Back to one of these vlogs where I'm showing you my journey traveling through the airports and whatnot. So yeah, just waiting around for my flight to start aboard back to Jamaica. And as I said, this flight is going to Kingston and I live in Montego Bay. So when I reach Kingston, I will now have to take the bus and travel all the way across the island. So it's a full day of travel. I should be pretty tired by the time I finally reach home in Montego Bay. Anyway guys, on with the journey. Alright guys, so I got picked up from the airport in Kingston. My friend here, Daniel. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, he's dropping me off to the Knoxford bus and then from there on to Montego Bay. Just the next leg of the trip. Here I am, back in my apartment in Jamaica. In Montego Bay, Jamaica to be specific. It hasn't been used for 2 whole months, so it's a bit dusty. I'll have to get cleaning, but another day because I've been on the move, traveling since 3 a.m. and it is now 9:30 at night. So I'm really spent and really tired. I'm just gonna dust off a little area on my bed, go and take a bath, come back and get some sleep. But this video is not finished because this time it's not only me coming back, it's also my daughter and my niece is coming to spend a few weeks, but they didn't come with me. They'll be coming next week. But you guys will see it now in this video. Here we are. It is the other Thursday, so it's already been a week since I've been in Jamaica. I know in the video it's only been a few seconds. And I'm going to head down to Kingston. My daughter and my niece are already on their flight. I'm tracking it on FlightAware online. And you know it's a few hours to Kingston, so I'm going to get an early start and make sure I'm there to meet them. All right, let's take the road. Okay, so still on the road trip to Kingston to get my daughter and my niece. I am at Discovery Bay at the, I always stop to get some patty. So yeah, I'm getting some patty to eat because I'm very hungry. I didn't have breakfast. You might be wondering, well, why I came last Thursday and then I'm going to pick up my daughter now the next Thursday. Couldn't I have booked the flight together or anything like that? The thing is, I booked my flight to go Trinidad separately, and then of course I booked the flight for my daughter and my niece. And you wouldn't believe the price difference of that 1 week. When I booked for my daughter and my niece, hundreds of US dollars difference. So I'll take the trip and go and pick them up a week later. Off the toll road, I'm riding along the Mandela Highway here in Kingston, heading in. It'll take me about 45 minutes to reach the airport from here. I'm taking my time. Giovanna and them will be here in about 2 hours. So we take the turn and we're on the Palisades heading into the airport. As you can see, that's the rock wall on one side that breaks the waves, and this is the Gulf here, or the bay on this side, and we're heading in. parked in the airport and it's just a waiting game now. So I'm actually going to go into the airport, get some AC and whatnot, and wait on them. Well, they alright? Alright guys, if you look in the back, you see them? Teffy and Vanny. So Teffy, how you feel to be in Jamaica?
Good.
Good.
Tired, but good.
Yeah, it's you know, traveling is always take it out of here. So now we're starting the long trip back home. It could be a few hours again. We're now driving into Montego Bay. How was your drive, guys?
It's good.
It's good. They're pretty tired. It's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon now, so it's just to head home, take a bath and relax for the evening. But it was a pretty good trip. All of those travels, we are finally here. We've been going around and whatnot, but I want to close off the travel video. So Tiffany, you're now in Jamaica. How's it so far?
I love it.
She loves it. Alright, so we are dead end. We're going to take a bath, but you'll see that in the next vlog. As always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
So me I tell them say a K9 representing for Montego Bay, St. James. And me make all the beautiful people them know say yo, Jamaica is lovely.
Yeah,
and me I say RIP to a Queen too. And me I say General. Touch the road, forward and safe. Youth, you have to give thanks because the road is like a razor blade, sharp and pointed like 6 points. Enough people feel say them safe. True say them a Christian, and enough boy feel say them bad. True them murder 7 white fowl and kill 6 ants. Me pray. And Father God, me not go on no clay. Me pray. Tell the ghetto youths I'm now the 6 months AK. Me pray. One Psalms a day. Keep the devil away. Me pray. Do not bother go back flank or golden cry. One t-shirt me have I used to wear. Me used to beat one shoe still it tear. Now me a beat clocks. Friend them a judge I care. Be a bad mind a Johnny. Remember when hungry days and it used to tear. When me eat at night time a bula. Unfair. Touch the street for the food skull be tear. I swear nine I sing like Dennis plus ooh Britney Spears. Violate my papers beg you. Don't you dare. Feed the ghetto youths, me tell them, they don't care. Want the happiness rub out and disappear. What they really want for us are just pain nightmare. Time to step up and stop stare. Remember the word, it round and it not square. Yo, tired for see my friend them cry crocodile tears. And hard life in my mother, yeah, stare. You know it's K9 representing for Montego Bay, St. James. And they should know this a general, one general video this. One God, hear that? You don't have to call my name. You know it. I go up on the Instagram, the YouTube, and you find this. A one God thing here. Real general here, a video this year. No name now have to call us. Go out on it.
I'll do it.
Subscribe.